guys, welcome to Technical Mathvbn channel. In this video I will teach you how to do antiderivative integration. Integration sign into x square plus x over 3 plus 5 into dx. This is the functions and we have to do this question. So guys, start. Integration sign x square dx. Separate all the values plus integration sign x by 3 dx plus integration sign 5 dx. Clear? Integration of x square will be x square plus 1. The same power will be at denominator, plus in this we will find out this 1 over 3 and it will be x. The integration of x is 1. This 1 plus 1 over the same number will be in denominator, plus integration of any constant number is x, because we are doing in x at then plus c. What is the formula? Why I am doing this? X raised n dx. When this is the case, then it will be x raised n plus 1 over n plus 1, the same power over here, plus c. So this is the integration of this. You can see that these are all these functions like this: x raised power, this is x raised 1, and this is without x, means constant number. The integration of constant number is that function x, in which the function is exists x. So simplify them. X cube over 3 plus 1 over 3 into x square over 2 plus 5x plus c. Now x cube over 3 plus x square, 2 3s are 6 plus 5x plus c. So this is the guys answer of this simple question. What we did, we use this formula x raised n dx. Whenever you see the x or power or x, then you need to use this formula. The formula is adding 1 in power, the same, this same will be over denominator. So this is the simple and basic integration. Thank you for watching this video.